There it is. New motor. 24 volt. Strong magnetic motor in our Proto 2000 SD7. So let's give it a test. Let's find out how does it run. Let's check it out here. It's slow. It's pretty quiet. "15-inch radius, no problem." Now there's a short in the spaghetti bowl, unfortunately, which I'm probably not going to fix since I'm taking it out and putting that new piece in. That's looking pretty good. That's not bad. It runs good. I did figure out there's a couple of quirks on the trucks. And so you have to put all the side frames and everything on first, and then the bottom goes on and locks them in place. So if you're wondering why you can't get it together, that's it. Then there are those two screws. Remember I said, remind me to put those screws back in, which I did. The screws, you can loosen them a little bit to get a better free-rolling truck. So if they're too tight, you'll find that the axles don't roll very well. They'll be pretty stiff. There it is. That's not too bad. I did save the two weight pieces that go here. I had to do some milling on them. Put a hole for the wires to come up on one of them. The other one I had to cut off a little piece that covered the jet motor. And right now, I got them in paint. I like to paint those because they oxidize fiercely. That's why they look the way they do. So I'll paint them. I'm not sure what color I'm going to paint them yet. Probably a teal or something. Something where if there's any light in the cab on the inside of the locomotive, it reflects back as like the interior of something painted teal or like sea green. There it is.